Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to collect shields in Monopoly Go. To do so, you first need to launch your game on your device, and once it's launched, all you need to do is press this Go button until you land on the shields icon shown in your board. As you can see, there's one right here, and one is right here, one's here, and one's here. So there are a total of 4 shields icon on your board. All you need to do is land on any of the shields. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials.